Baby Rome, continue to be bibong-bibong. Baby, we love you and we will continue to support your YouTube channel.
Baby Rome, I hope you will have a wonderful journey growing up. Love you.
Baby Rome, wish you good health and sana as you grow, you continue to respect your parents.
Baby Rome, same lang, good health and respeto lang sa parents and sa other. Thank you. Baby Rome, sa akin, sana ma-enjoy mo yung childhood mo at mag-create ka ng maraming happy memories.
Baby Rome, wish ko lang lumaking mag-shot at masunod sa magulang. Baby Rome, so yung wish ko is same lang din sa naging wish ko sa daddy mo before. So, wag kang mga away. Baby Rome, ang wish ko